It was an ambitious idea, converting 48,000 square foot of underutilized commercial space in Regency Mall into an adult education center. The concept had merit, but the project hinged on three big questions. How much will it cost? How long will it take? And of course, who's going to do this work? Let's start with the last question because it's the most unique aspect of this whole project. Students from our career and technical education programs worked alongside industrial professionals at every step of the way to fully renovate the space. After assisting with the design, students literally tore into this Regency assignment by demolishing the existing commercial spaces. The critical work of framing came next. Meanwhile, at the same time, the number of players on the field steadily grew. Teams of carpentry, electrical, HVAC, and plumbing worked side by side to get this project going. New floors were laid, while hundreds of feet of network cable were installed overhead. From the ductwork to the drywall, inspectors were there to verify that we were meeting code. And the students were learning to deal with that real concept things don't always go the way you expect them to go in construction. Sometimes you have to problem solve and adjust. When we started this project, I had a lot of people ask, do you really think the career and technical education students can do it? My answer was, no, I don't think they can. I knew they could. And the techniques and high standards taught by our industry partners, our CTE instructors, construction and maintenance and facilities team from Henrico County Public Schools, and government increased the competency, but more important, the confidence of our students. It's impossible to put a true price on the sweat equity of all who worked on the project and the hundreds of hours of time and materials donated to open our doors. But in the end, the cost of the project came in at 1/4 of the estimated cost. Not bad for a renovation the size of a small elementary school. But what does all this mean for the community? Regency is now the site of our new adult education center serving our region, with storefronts featuring local businesses and organizations eager to hire. We also are open to anyone exploring a new career pathway. So why do you come to the mall? You come to the mall to shop. Why do you come to the Regency Adult Education Center? To shop for your future.